In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an embedded sign-up form in Mailchimp. Now to do this, you want to go to the left here and you want to click on Forms, and then you want to click on Other Forms. Now inside Other Forms, you want to go to Create New Form, top right, and then in here, you want to go and select Embedded Form over here as the first option, okay? So just click on it, and then whenever you do that, you can give it a name. So I'm just going to name this one Tutorial right now, and the audience can be selected as well. When you do that, click on Continue to Builder. And then when you continue to your builder over here, you'll see, there we go. This is where you can basically customize and set up your embedded sign-up form. So you can click on form fields over here to add them. So by default over here, it requires the email address. You could go and of course add something like a phone number, for example, as well. You could add like first name, last name, whatever you want. And then whenever you've done that part, you can go to settings over here where you can select your form title over here. So for example, subscribe to my email list or whatever. And then here you can select the width as well. You can remove CSS styles if you want to, so it's up to you. I'm just going to leave it like that. Then you have the tags over here if you want to add them, and of course you have the referral badge as well if you want to play with this too. Okay, so that's what I'm going to leave it at right now. Let's say this is now our embedded sign up form that we want to use, so I'm just going to leave it like that and click on continue in the top right. Of course you can go and customize it however you want, and then when you're ready, click on continue, and then here, as you can see, you're gonna get your embedded form code. So there's like a bunch of code. You can just click on the copy code button top right. Then you can go to your website or wherever you want to basically embed your sign up form, and you want to paste in that code. So here I'm currently in an HTML online viewer. So whenever I paste it in here, as you can see, it's going to give me a form over here. And if I were to add this to my website, it's going to pop up as the exact same thing. Okay, so that's how to set that up. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.